Hello everybody, I am not a serial killer now. I'm still just the normal me, unless I was always a serial killer. Creepy. Well, I've got another unboxing video, very exciting one indeed, and I'm equipped with a knife, which is good, and I got a haircut, so another one. Aloha, good people of Earth. Let's just take this weird Gryffindor cloak thing off. Hopefully that didn't hit anything important. Well, to start off, I had a haircut, I know, absolutely insane. Yeah, I got it last week. By the time this video is uploaded, it would have been probably a month ago, or more, or something, I'm not sure. Reb in the editing room, hi! Right, before I do this unboxing, I said in some previous videos that I am going to be selling my own Dimensions in Time DVD. Because if you don't know, Dimensions in Time was released by Children's in Need for the 30th anniversary of Doctor Who. It was never released on DVD, so I decided that I'd sell to you a copy of it, because I am a nice person. Here is the prototype copy, which is not finished yet, but is what it will look like. So anyway, before all of that falls off, you won't see that, so it's fine with you. It is here, Dimensions in Time on a DVD, rated U, the Sylvester McCoy years. It's starring John Pertwee, Tom Baker, Peter Davison, Colin Baker, and Sylvester McCoy. It has the Rani, the 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd Doctor, and the 1st and 2nd background. St Albert Square stuff there. Looks very authentic, don't you think? There it says Doctor Who 30th anniversary 1963 to 93. It says there. Don't know if you can see that, but it's there. Yeah. On the spine it says Dimensions in Time to entertain. Very nice. It doesn't have any special features on. but the disc will have special features. It will. It has 3 special features, I think. Yeah, and then it says some stuff on it if you want to read. And all the gobbledygook that no one cares about. Then inside we've got the disc, which I haven't printed on yet, but will print on at some point. But this is the final disc. This is my second copy of the disc, and I have to make yet another one. Hopefully the next one will be the final one, and then I think I'll make 4 copies, and if they sell I'll make some more copies. So yeah, now onto the unboxing, which I'm very excited about. You know what it is, obviously, because you saw the title of this video, I'm guessing. So this arrived while I was out. So yeah, it's from Amazon. Very nice. Amazon Prime, lovely. 1-day delivery. I ordered it yesterday. Last night, actually. In the bin. You know what it is? Well, you know what it is anyway. But if you didn't see the title, I think you know what it is. I know, extremely exciting. I know, it's pretty insane, to be honest. Look, we've got Sylvester McCoy, this lovely artwork by Lee Binding. You've got him right here, and you've got the master, and you've got, what is that? Thingy. Morgana. I think they changed the name in this to something else, maybe. We've got the thingy-majogs from the Curse of Fenric. The Hemivores, that's it. We've got some other people who I don't know, because I've only seen 1 episode of the season, which is Survival. I've only actually seen 3 episodes from Sylvester McCoy's era, which is very sad, because he's a very good doctor, I have to say. It's very nice, a green and pink kind of theme going on here. We've got obviously his umbrella question mark thing. Umbrella question mark umbrella. So yeah, if you want to see that closer, there it is. It's rated 12, a whopping 7 discs. BBC Doctor Who The Collection, season 26. On the spine, it's the same artwork as the front. It says Blu-ray, BBC Doctor Who The Collection, season 26, 12 BBC. And then we flip to the other side, it's exactly the same, just doesn't say Blu-ray and have the picture on. There's the bottom here, so you saw a second ago. Yeah, that's that. And the top, and then the back with this huge box of special features. I mean, that's massive. And there's only 4 episodes. Very short season, but a whole load of bonus content. If you just look at that, look. I mean, you've got this nice artwork from Survival here. So it says, build your own Doctor Who archive with the ultimate collector's set. It includes Battlefield, Ghostlight, The Curse of Fenric, and Survival. All 14 episodes newly restored for Blu-ray and packed with brand new extra material, including all of that, which I shall not read for reasons. It also says, each disc also features extensive special features previously released on DVD, including making of documentaries, special editions, featurettes, deleted scenes, isolated music scores, audio commentaries, info text, and much, 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 much more. And then we've all got all that gobbledygook that doesn't know what it cares about, and there's my phone. I know, hello there. There's all of that. And now we can crack it open. And if you don't know, Doctor Who, the Collection Season 17 is coming out on Blu-ray very soon. So July, April, June, something like that. I'm not too sure, but it's something like that. So yeah. There. We'll take the J card off. Oh, and shout out to great YouTubers such as Doctor Who, The Good Dalek, the Host Productions, and the Doctor Who Guide, which are the main YouTubers who I watch, and they're very good YouTubers. They are. Whoa, are you seeing this? Seeing this? No. Anywho, here is the lovely front without the Doctor Who Collection Season 26. We get a much nicer view of the villains. Here is the spot that you've already seen. That. Here's the back, which is the same as the bottom of the J card. Here is the back, very nice. It's from the opening theme where it's got the TARDIS in the bubble, and also my opening intro thing. Here's the front again, and now we're going to open it like this. There we are, very, very nice. Here is disc number 1. What is it? Disc number 1 is Battlefield. There, lovely. That's disc number 1. Nice red theme type thing. Disc 2 is, see what they did there. Okay, there are 2 discs per episode, I think. So there's Battlefield. Now, let's Ghostlight. Am I right? Is it Ghostlight? It's Ghostlight. There, lovely discard. Still keeping the red theme. Curse of Fenric? Yes, Curse of Fenric. There we go. Curse of Fenric again? Yes. This one is Survival. A very good episode in my opinion. Here is the bonus disc. Yes, it's got the TARDIS on. Very nice. And if we remove this disc, it reveals Sylvester McCoy! Right, here is this bit. I'm guessing it's probably from the Curse of Fenric, yes. And he's got his umbrella. And he's standing outside the TARDIS. Yes, it's very nice. When we open this, it's got some Velcro thing there. If you open this up, it's got the thing that was on the back. Take that out, and we've got this TARDIS thing right here. Yeah, cool, isn't it? Yeah, cool. Right, let's take a look at the booklet. Right, so here's the booklet. It's the same as the back of the J card thing. Very nice. Printed on very nice, glossy, thick paper on the back, a continuation of this image, along with a nice photo of Sylvester McCoy. Very nice. I'm going to stop talking like this, you probably will find it excruciatingly annoying. Right, so here is the front. We've got some volcanoes, we've got cheetah people, we've got Ace, we've got the Master, and we've got the 7th Doctor with the skull. It's a skull, isn't it? Not a rock. It must be a rock. There's another nice picture, black and white, from the Curse of Fenric again. Here is this, if you want to read this. It says, ending on a high. Finish the sentence. Note. Disc 1 and Disc 2, Battlefield. You can read this if you want to. Continuation. Some more. Disc 3 is Ghostlight. Very nice. Curse of Fenric is discs 4 and 5. Here's all of this information. Info. By the way, watch Sherlock because it's an amazing TV series. Disc 6, Survival. Some nice pictures. Nice artwork there. Very nice. More pictures. And the bonus disc, which has Sophie Aldred in conversation, The Life of John Nathan Turner, Endgame, The 7th Doctor Revisited, Who Peter 1963 to 1989, Blu-ray trailer, and PDF written archive. So yeah, that's that. This must be one of the thickest booklets that they've done, because I have to say this one feels very thick compared to the other ones. Okay, so again, here is the inside. I'll just put that back. So, here it is. I'll just put this here for the thumbnail. Thank you for watching this nice video. I enjoyed unboxing this, and I enjoyed seeing what was inside because there are some cool things in here. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. By the way, Dimensions in Time DVD coming soon. People, yeah. So, toodles.